October 9, 2025, Aurora Police responded to a disturbance arising from a federal ICE enforcement operation. This footage presents not a crowd control incident, but a convergence of constitutional law, state statute, and federal authority.
You guys out of here then?
I would. You gotta ask the ICE guys, man.
We don't want them here. Get them the f*** out.
Why are you guys working with them? Why are you guys working with them?
Let's just make sure. Sit on the perimeter and make sure nobody else comes in. Yep.
Are they going to make them move out of that parking lot?
Well, it's not our parking lot, ma'am. It's a public. Right. So unless the owner comes out here and they do that, then that's fine. You're all more than welcome to record whatever. Just please stay on the sidewalk, okay? Thank you very much. I understand that. Like I said, you're more than welcome to stay here. Just please stay on the sidewalk, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. No, I get it. I get it. I know. I understand. Just, I want to make sure that you're okay. Do you mind just going to the sidewalk, please? Just staying on the sidewalk. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, I can stay right here. That's fine with us.
The crowd appeared tense, but peaceful at first, as police monitored the area to make sure things didn't get out of control. But tensions soon began to rise.
Matter of fact, that Jeep right there, part of the investigation.
Go for the real criminals and we won't be mad. Go for the real criminals and we won't be mad. Like for people for no reason. What's wrong with you guys?
Stay on the sidewalk. All right, let them do their job. Let them do their job. We can't clear the street.
No, I said.
As long as they're on the sidewalk, they're
no, that's what I was telling them.
fine.
Absolutely.
This is Nazism.
Hey, watch this guy in the face, man.
Authoritarian bullshit. This is suck. I cannot believe this. Piece by piece. So disappointing. Piece by piece.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Just record them and pray for them. There's power in prayer.
I don't know why they blocked that driveway. I was trying to...
This is the day that the Lord has made. Come on, somebody. He's good and he's good all the time.
All the time.
All the time.
We're just gonna stay on the perimeter right here, make sure everything's good. That's all. Hey guys, if you guys just want to spread out.
She's on rapid response, but I
Okay.
haven't seen her.
Yeah, no, like I said, you're all more than welcome to stay here.
No,
That's fine.
We're trying to find out what the guy's name to kill his family.
I understand.
That's all we're trying to do.
Yeah, and I think you should be able to do that.
Back up.
And he's not ready.
Why are you doing that? He's not even doing nothing.
Back up. Get back like everybody else. I don't care who you are. Get back. Get back. Get back. You don't have to push me. I don't care who you are. I was backing up. Respect me.
Just stay here over here.
You respect me, I
Stay over here. I'm
respect
sorry
you.
That's happening. You just stay over here.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
I understand that. But there's a right way and there's a wrong way. That's the wrong way to do that. Okay? You don't push people. Respect them.
Get on the sidewalk.
Shame on you. Shame on you.
What is Josh? What?
I said stay on the sidewalks on the perimeter right here. And if they need to get out, we'll get them out.
Can we have somebody move that vehicle right there?
Remember this guy. He will be important later.
No, you can't.
You're not. You can't block them in.
They're law enforcement. You can't block them in. You still can't block them in.
Can't block them in. You want them to leave?
You want them to leave before they arrest us. Good try, though. That shit don't matter.
That's right there. They're the ones in the exit. You know what they're doing. You know what they're doing. Kidnapping community. That's what they're doing.
And y'all defending
And y'all
that
ain't
shit.
doing nothing.
That's f***ed up. Oh, but
Y'all ain't doing nothing.
You can't record. It's illegal to record on your personal device. Put that shit down. Asshole. Put it down.
personal device. Put it down.
You can't fucking record us. You
Go
stupid.
for it. Go for it. Go for it. Yeah. See what you're fucking maze in your hand, right?
And just stay back
But
here,
all
please.
these unarmed people, right? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Shake that shit. Make it call up.
Is this yours? Just give me a favor, pull forward. That way we can get them out of here.
Wait, hold on. They need to move out, so they're gonna use the tow truck.
Tell them to tow it. Let them tow it.
It's like $150 tow.
It's just moving in the front, relax.
Okay, but where? Over there?
Yeah,
It's gonna get towed.
Move it straight ahead for now.
Can you ask her? She got the keys.
Who?
She's arrested. She's in the car, in the back of the car.
She's got the keys.
Yeah, it's her car.
We're trying to get that blue car
Yeah,
moved.
I requested the female officer to come over here several times. She won't let me touch her to get her keys from her.
Because they're trying to move the car for her. Can I have the car keys, please?
Again, I'm in handcuffs. My keys are in my pockets. I need to be able to reach them. I don't trust the male reaching on me.
Okay, fair enough.
Can we put my vehicle on the street? It says you cannot park here.
You'll be okay. You got somebody that can take it from here?
Not unless I can call people.
That I can't help you with, but I'll make sure it doesn't.
I have my phone.
I'll make sure it doesn't get towed from here. Okay?
No, I want that in writing then.
I'll make sure of it.
Right here. It's fine, right?
Hey Scott, we're gonna need to move that GMC and get them out that way.
You just wanna go and block it off, and then just tell them to back up. Like close the road.
Get them to back into that parking lot.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am.
No, hello. I don't want to talk to you. Kick
Okay.
them out. Private property. Kick
Well,
them out.
you're in the public
This
road.
is the motherfucker. I
Stop.
can't go nowhere.
Well, you need to back
Motherfucker, I
up.
can't go nowhere. If I back up, you're gonna ticket me.
No, I'm
I
not.
can't
I'm asking
go
you to back
nowhere.
up.
You
I'm
just
asking
wanna
you to
arrest
back
people.
up.
You just want to arrest people.
I don't wanna
You're not
arrest
kicking
anybody.
them out. Public disturbance. You're not kicking them out.
Okay, well, you need to back
You're
up.
not kicking them out. You need to deal with that shit.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Just pull forward.
Okay, sorry.
Just straight forward. Thank you. Ready to leave?
Get out of here, Rookie! Get out of here, Rookie! You work for us! Get out of here! You work for us! Get out of here!
First Amendment protects peaceful assembly. Public sidewalks are traditional public forums. Officers directing protesters to the sidewalk constitutes a permissible time, place, and manner restriction. Frisby versus Schultz, 1988. Lawful only because it was content neutral, not viewpoint based. Nothing in this footage suggests the restriction targeted the anti-ICE message. Under Snyder versus Phelps, 2011, even deeply offensive public protest receives full First Amendment protection. Crowd's presence here was constitutionally protected. Officers' management of that presence was constitutionally sound. 2 arrests occurred. The first, the woman whose vehicle blocked the ICE exit, presents the more legally contested question. Under Colorado Revised Statute Section 18.9.107, obstruction of a public passageway requires a knowing and unlawful act. If the vehicle was lawfully parked before the operation began, the knowing element is factually disputed. Second arrest is legally cleaner. Striking a moving vehicle's window satisfies criminal mischief under CRS Section 18.4.501. Property destruction falls outside First Amendment protection regardless of political motivation.
Get out of here!
We're leaving.
As the crowd swelled, officers moved in closer, creating a buffer between the federal agents and the public.
Free speech! Free speech! I'm not touching. I'm not doing nothing. Free speech! Free speech!
Because they're trying to leave, and I'm trying to make sure that happens. They're gonna leave right now. This is the only exit. I have no idea, miss. Not from this parking lot. I need you. Please back up. Please back up. Please back up, man. Or we need to make room for this vehicle to come out. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Yeah, man, you should back off. Sir, you need to back off. You can't impede. You can't impede.
Go ahead, you spray them too. You spray them too. You spray them too. You spray them too. You can spray the cops too.
Come on, boss. Let's go.
He's a Nazi, I'm telling you.
Let him go.
You guys suck. Why you hit me? Why you hit me, dude?
You're not moving out of the way. He
hit me though, bro.
You're creating a hazard for them. Just back off, please.
The spray deployment referenced at approximately 9 minutes, you spray them too, is the unresolved use of force question. And under Graham versus Connor, 1989, force is assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision. OC spray in a crowd environment requires individual-level threat justification, not crowd-wide deployment. Aurora PD policy prohibits area spray in crowd settings. Without visual confirmation of individual threat justification, this use of force cannot be deemed reasonable on the available record. Colorado House Bill 19-1124 prohibits local agencies from using local resources to enforce federal civil immigration law. Aurora officers here were not conducting immigration arrests, they were maintaining public order at a federal operation. That is a legally distinct function that falls outside the statute's prohibition. The deployment was lawful on that specific basis. Aurora Police denied a CORA request for the incident report, citing CRS Section 2472-305, active law enforcement proceedings. That exemption is permissible during an open investigation. It is not a permanent bar. Once proceedings conclude, or if no charges are filed, the record becomes subject to disclosure. The public's right to that information does not expire with the department's convenience.
Get some more officers over there.
Back off. Back off. Back off. Back off.
I will. I'm done.
Roll on your side.
We got him.
Hey, Mike. Just right over here. Got cuffs coming.
Yep.
How are you not embarrassed?
I'm not.
You're not?
Nope.
The crowd is just continuing to grow.
Okay.
Stand up.
93.
I roll over to your side.
Yeah, here. Come over here.
Stand up.
Did he do anything?
Yeah, I accidentally touched your window out of an ice one. Lucas. Let's go this way.
Just trying to take all of you guys.
Why y'all taking him? Why y'all taking that Nazi that for having kids present? Huh? Why ain't you community? We pay your checks. We pay your checks. Undocumented patient checks. And y'all ain't doing jack shit to fucking back us out. Nothing.
Those like windows are flimsy, man. Do me a favor, buddy. Can you just stand?
Is this your relative or?
We live right there, 629. Okay. You can go.
You understand? We can watch.
I don't think he
crime.
does understand.
No, what
I don't
I'm
think
saying,
anybody understands.
when we witness a crime, we can't just pretend it didn't happen. You understand? It
I think
happened
you
right in front
just
of us.
witnessed a crime and you're pretending it didn't happen.
So,
Hey, help, guys! They're illegally. I'm just playing.
come on, man. We're trying to be mediators, right? We
I know
got
they are
jobs to
though,
do.
man. You should stop ICE, not with us. All right,
Well,
you guys all good?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are. Turn this on.
Let's hop out.
We're gonna go ahead and get to the back.
Hey, Sean, he's actively bleeding from the hand, so make sure you guys Definitely. Can't get gloves on.
Make sure you've got gloves, like latex.
He's got a little blood on his finger somewhere on it.
You better have your family on enemy line.
We got some violence.
When we go to war, you better be the first one. You better have your mom.
Stop. Stop. Stay away from his car.
Get that motherfucker. Come here, boy.
Nothing major emergency.
Get that motherfucker needs to be arrested.
God damn it. I don't know. I don't know.
No, we don't know exactly.
He just said he needs to be arrested.
Going up to the car.
You gotta get out. Goodbye. Are we gonna have any more?
Where's the other ice guy? He went around here. Stay out of the road. Stay out of the road.
Do we have anybody else to go or just the one? Back up. You're good? Back it up a little bit farther. All right. Don't run over anybody. Let's go down to Lincoln and we'll take Lincoln down.
Real good.
Where she can no longer be in the
Yep.
All right, Benjamin, make your way over here. Be careful, watch your head.
Hey, just step right here for me. We're just gonna grab the one. I got him.
Okay.
Yep.
Aurora officers receive a B+, acknowledging recording rights, applying content-neutral restrictions, and pursuing negotiated resolution before compulsion reflect sound constitutional competence. Reduction. An unresolved OC spray, incident insufficient documented articulable suspicion for a pre-identified subject. The blue car woman receives a C+. Allowing a vehicle to obstruct a law enforcement exit satisfies CRS 189-107 if the blockade was knowing. The knowing element remains factually contested. The window striker receives a D. Property destruction is not protected speech. Full stop. Works. Under settled First Amendment doctrine, the government may prohibit expressive conduct when the regulation targets the harmful act, not the viewpoint behind it. The arrest was lawful. Aurora PD as an institution receives a C+. Officers performed well in the field. The department's failure to specify charges publicly, combined with a blanket CORA denial, creates an accountability gap that exposes the city tow civil liability under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. 3 lessons from this footage. First, the right to record police activity is constitutionally settled. Any officer who denies that right in 2025 creates immediate liability exposure. Second, property destruction forfeits First Amendment protection instantly. The moment a protest becomes property crime, the legal narrative shifts entirely against demonstrators, regardless of the underlying cause. Third, transparency is liability management. A department that withholds charges and denies public records invites speculation, litigation, and public distrust, costs that far exceed the price of disclosure. Let us know your thoughts on this case in the comments. Subscribe for more legal breakdowns of police interactions. Thank you for watching.